So as you have many elements in the form, you can see that the form might seem long and you may not know where is the division. Let's say you want to make a certain form elements in a certain section. So if you want to go ahead and add in a visual divider, you can actually do so by going to add element section over here on the left. Then under basic, you can go ahead and scroll down, and here you can see that divider is an option. So here you can see that this is the divider, and so it's basically an empty field. You can go ahead and place it wherever you want. You can actually go to properties right here and change the line color as well for the divider. You can choose the divider line as you like. So the style right here is solid. You can change it to dotted, or let's say for example dashed as well. You can even go ahead and change the divider height. Let's say this is going to be 10 pixel right here, and space below can be 5 pixels, or it can be 10 pixels as well, just like this. You can even add in a horizontal space right here, for example 10 right here, so that the divider starts from a certain section. Let me just go ahead and remove this, and you can see that you also have an option to duplicate it. And then you can go ahead and move the divider wherever you like right here, just like this. And then let the viewers or users know like where the visual dividing is. So apart from this, you can see that you got all of these options, and you also can go to advanced to shrink out the divider so that it only takes half the space right here as well. Let's say for example, if I were to go ahead and bring this in right here, you can see that the divider actually goes around over here besides this particular form section. So I can move this to new line if I don't want that as well. But let me just remove out this shrink and remove the move to new line as well. And if you don't want to delete this divider and just want to hide it, let's say for example temporarily, then you can go ahead and hide out the field as well. So this is what you can do. But let me just go ahead and unhide it, and then go to the field detail to see the coding level name of this particular divider as well. So the unique name for it is divider. So if you want to go ahead and change it, then simply go ahead and type in the name right here. So that is what you have. And if I were to go ahead onto the form preview now, you will be able to see those dividers right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the form divider as needed inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.